aming breakfast buffet na full of seafood, sea urchin, and tuna and everything, and all the dessert. This is a one-stop shop hotel na andito na. One-stop shop breakfast. Nakain ko na lahat ang dapat kong makain dito sa Hokodate because of this buffet, breakfast buffet. At saka, masarap na masarap ang onsen. Ang ganda-ganda ng lugar ng onsen. Super duper. I wish we can show it to you. Yung talagang overlooking, even the sauna is panoramic sauna, and the onsen. Ang ganda talaga. Indoor and outdoor. So, we're having a good time. This is soft melon ice cream. The red beans sweet balls. Tiramisu. This is jelly. This is fruits. This is, I think, cheese. This one, cheese. Milk with caramel sauce. Fresh salad. Miso soup. This one is salmon, squid, and salmon roll, and fresh tuna, and fresh salmon, and chicken. Second day of breakfast here in super yummy buffet breakfast. The Vista. Every day we have breakfast. Every day is fresh. Kampay, bon appetit. From yesterday, may bago sila. Itong oyster saka squid among the seafood. Tapos namin dito kumain sa Lucky Pero Restaurant. Yan. Kumain kami ng kanilang famous na chicken burger. Na
chicken lang ang nilagay sa bun.
Okay naman. Okay lang, pero masarap yung bun nila. Ako naman is Lucky Cheeseburger. Tapos drinks namin yung cold melon drinks na panood ko sa YouTube yun. Anyway, nothing so spectacular, kaya lang at least we need to, gusto lang namin kumain dito para matry namin yung mga vloggers kung tama sila. Yun. Waiting here in Lucky Pero Restaurant. Famous ito dito sa Hakodate. So, cheers! Ito yun. Yan si Bunny kumakain dito sa Lucky Pero. Dahil tao. Yan si Lucky Pero. Yan o. Mayroon pang swing. Mayroon pang swing-swingan. Ang mga ibang nakaupo. Oh. Ayaw ko na. Ay, po naman pala oh.
Kaalis ang order.
Ha? Kaalis lang nila? May ice cream. Yan. So, we're back to Lucky Pero. We're on our way to Casa Norte. Looks beautiful. The place looks beautiful. We're here in our hotel.
Spanish restaurant in Japan.
Spanish restaurant in Japan.
Local salad.
Ah, this is the local salad.
Sauce with basil and cheese.
Okay.
This is just a moment.
Thank you. Bunny's order. Steak. Pero maghahati na lang kami. Ako paella para hindi masyadong mabigat. Oh, wow. Yeah, sure. Can you take our picture? Here in Hakodate Beer Hall. Drinking beer. Cheers! Japanese order. Potato salad. May konting cake. and I think burger patty, and the fried rice, one piece of chicken, put French fries, and
Burger, may burger.
ano to? Oh, this one. Ah, Diyos ko Lord, may sausage pa.